Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change password in Roblox even if forgotten. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we'll cover the method for when you're already logged in. On your phone, tap More from the left side or the bottom right corner. From there, open Settings and then go to Account Info. Find the password option and tap the icon on the right that says Change Password. Enter your current password, then type in your new password, confirm it, and tap Update. Complete the verification step, and your password will be successfully changed. If you've forgotten your password and can't log in, start by tapping Sign In on the Roblox login screen. At the bottom, select Forgot Password or Username. Enter your username, email address, or phone number linked to your account. Roblox will send you a verification code. Enter that code when prompted, then follow the steps to create and confirm a new password. Once completed, you'll regain access to your account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change password in Roblox, even if forgotten. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.